November 21 po ay presentation of the Virgin Mary in the temple. Just as they presented Jesus Christ on His 40th day, ano po ibig sabihin ng presentation of the Virgin Mary in the temple? Number one, ang mga magulang niya, si Joaquin at si Ana, they recognize that this daughter of theirs comes from God. And they acknowledge that gift of life to their family, that they are not baog, hindi sila baog. Rather, they are fruitful. And because of this fruitfulness that God gave them to take care of His own daughter, that is the Virgin of Nazareth, Joachim and Anne said, hindi po to amin. Ito po ay atin. Galing po sa inyo. Pinahihiram niyo po sa amin. Pangangalagaan namin. And I offer to you our daughter in thanksgiving for the gift of life. Even later on, an extension of life for us, being a younger person than us. But the presentation of the Blessed Virgin Mary, more than the parents, I think it could have been a spark in that little young child. Who knows, it's not the words, but in that dedication of the parents, it is a tradition that Mary wanted to remain a person completely dedicated to the service of God as a temple virgin, as a virgin that lights the candles to keep the illumination of the temple of Jerusalem. So dedication to God, that's the meaning of the presentation of the Virgin. More than what her parents did to her, when she recognized the meaning of this presentation when she was an infant or a child, isinabuhay niya. Tinalaga niya, tinutuon niya ang pagtatalaga sa kanya. And so she intended to be completely given to God, dedicated, devoted to Him. Diba? Yun po ang ibig sabihin nun eh. Sabi nila, ba't ka magbibigay ng bunga ng isang puno kung pwede mo ibigay ang buong puno? Ayun nangyari sa presentation. I give my whole life to you.